there, this is Paul Summerfield and Lee Cullen from Northcraft Analytics, and we're here today to talk to you about our Northcraft module for Atlassian JIRA software. So a major challenge with JIRA software is that you can't easily extract data and reporting that is meaningful to leadership. In my experience, especially in the early days of a transition from, say, waterfall to agile, I found that the C-level and senior management wanted transparency and data that reflected the old way of executing software delivery, with commitments to milestones and a firm end date for goals, etc. So bringing them along in the agile process and helping them feel comfortable that you are delivering value to the customer is imperative. Now, JIRA is a wonderful toolset, in my opinion, but it does not deliver significant enough transparency to calm the horses. This is where Northcraft comes in. We have developed a module that brings a real DevOps dashboard to the table, delivering a vast array of key metrics that are essential to any IT leader, to be honest, and in an easy-to-read format that allows you to drill down and explore the underlying reasons for all of the data points. So with that, Lee will now run you through the details, but if you use JIRA for Agile, I strongly urge you to check our solution out. I'm really confident that we can help you pinpoint the failings and successes of your Agile projects in a very transparent way. So with that, Lee, take it away.
Thank you, Paul. So let's get started here with just an overview of Agile methodology, because it's broader than just JIRA, right? JIRA, we're focusing here for our measurement capabilities on planning, analysis, test, review. Most people use JIRA for that. I mean, it's not GitHub, right? So if you're looking for build and design measurements, we're beginning to work on those with Microsoft's acquisition in that space. So you'll see newer tools being released, newer BI applications, analytical applications from us in the future. JIRA is our launch, and they have a huge presence in the market, so we thought it was a good place to start. Okay, so at the high level, we have for an organization that is using the Agile methodology, we have epics, right? Multiple epics, and those are really important to the organization, essentially. Each epic can have multiple projects. Each project can have multiple sprints, and each sprint can have multiple stories. Each story has story points, which kind of represent the level of effort there. Okay, and then issues arise really at all levels in the sprint, in the project, in the epic. We're looking at that as well for JIRA. As you know, in JIRA, everything's an issue. So it's actually really helpful for measurement, though, and because you can determine the priority of an issue, right? If it's an issue at the epic level, okay, that's more important. I know that by looking at the measures that we've calculated. And then, within the sprint, right, this is kind of how it works when the rubber meets the road in with the Agile methodology. So you've got Scrum Master, you've got the team of developers, the team of users. We also have the team of developers. You've got a product owner, and that's where all these stories are coming from. And then we're rapidly developing with that 4-week maximum sprint goal, right? So that's a KPI goal that we're going to build into our solution. Okay, so let's take a look. First of all, just a little bit more granular level here. We're going to look at projects and stories. Okay, so that's underneath the epic level. I'm not going to go through all of our Singularity content today for JIRA, but just focus on really 3 main views. And we'll be doing more breakout sessions here, webinars, YouTube videos here in the near future. So this is the first, and it's more of an overview. Okay, so we're going to look at developer efficiency KPIs first here, and you can see your velocity, right? Your speed, your particular, at the sprint level, right? And we can adjust these filters here to look at project sprints, etc. But I just wanted to start here looking at everything. Okay, so we're looking at our backlog. Are we going backwards or forwards? What's the variance from the baseline for this specific project. So if we, and this is common and important and a key feature with all Northcraft products, is you want to be able to drill into detail even if it's in another table and the data volume is massive. So that's always been core to our philosophy, because it's how you manage by exception. We look across the board and we see overall good performance, but there are a couple of areas where we need to focus and troubleshoot as management and come up with some ways to improve the efficiency of the process, or get involved with an individual team and take action. But you need to be able to see the granular level of detail in order to get there. So we're looking at our business intelligence project here, and we drill into our sprint, and there we're at the detail level. Okay, so this is demo data, and I'm just giving an example of how it works. But there's always the ability to drill into the more granular views, be it issues, tasks, sprints, etc. Okay. Now, the way we begin in implementation is in this KPI development metrics workshop. So this goes across all of our projects and the subject matter areas that we cover. And what it allows us to do is to, after installation, as soon as we install our Microsoft BI solution on the server, be it in the cloud using Azure analysis services and Data Factory, etc., or your on-premise SQL solutions, and we do use analysis services as well on premise, and as well as, of course, for the hybrid OLAP, the traditional SQL database. So, and that makes our the data warehouse. Okay, so but when we do that across all of the different process areas that we cover, we have so many key performance indicators that we need to have breakout sessions with managers, executives, process owners to kind of narrow down the focus. Of course, sometimes your data quality doesn't allow us to use certain KPIs, or because of the way you've configured JIRA or ServiceNow or SolarWinds, etc. Right? But this is the starting point. We install it. This is all pre-calculated, so we're getting feedback immediately, which is really an agile approach. And so our initial information that we have about your organization is presented to us in the development metrics workshop here for JIRA, and we get to review this together. So this is something that we have the ability to experience together, to take a look at it and start to figure out which KPIs apply to your organization and adjust it, right? Because these are all pre-built. We can throw them out and it's no big deal. Now, one thing I always point out too is if we edit this and we just look at the metadata. Normally when you open up Power BI or Tableau, for example, which are two most commonly used visualization tools, you're starting with nothing. You're starting with potentially a connector that's available that has a few tables and calculations, very basic, but we like to provide a very robust set of canned metadata in our analysis services solution so that you can get up and running quickly. And again, it goes across multiple data sources, multiple tables, all in a single report, so that you can get very rich data that goes across multiple enterprise applications and data models at the end of the day. Okay, the last thing I want to show is our the ability to compare using the KPI index, and this is so that we can get a time series based view of the most important issues in the organization. So as you look at the KPI index here, we've got the ability to look at the KPI and then the time frame it was calculated, and then we can find these that are most important to us. Okay, so we'll look at percentage of stories that have story points associated with them, right? And have we been doing better or worse? All of these different KPIs here, we've got the ability to do that. So that's a new piece of content that we built in to really make it easy to look at progress quickly, and I think you'll find that valuable and really all of the predefined content we have, which is also contained in our knowledge base. So be sure to check out our website at northcraftanalytics.com if you'd like to see a demonstration tailored towards your environment. You'd like to see more different pieces of content. Also be sure to check out the knowledge base, as we're adding content to it daily. If you have any further questions, go ahead and reach out on that website with the Contact Us tab. And we appreciate your time today. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.